What's up? How y'all doing? TK Profit coming back to do another live trading session. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me put these blue screen glasses on. Hope y'all doing well, man. Hope y'all doing well. Let's go ahead and let TikTok in. So, since we're right here, let's go ahead and get into gold. XAU USD. I talked to you guys last night. Let me see. How can I put some text up on this screen? Do I have to? Let me see. Give me a second, y'all. So we took a look at gold, and I called this sale last night during the live. Carlos, what's up? How you doing? We called this sale during the live. I saw divergence on the chart. We called this out. Price was creating higher highs, and right here on our RSI, we saw price creating lower highs. I let you guys know when this happens. It's called bearish divergence, and it lets you know that Nate, what's up, bro? How you feeling, Nate? It lets you know that you got a potential sale coming up. Man, everything is good, Nate. You see it? You see how I done put everything together, man. Had to show you around what other of the stuff I built, man, and maybe we'll see if you come work with us. But yeah, we caught this sale. Let me see. I believe we're on the 36-minute time frame, man. I told you guys when divergence is formed in the market, we'll normally see 3 touches of that trend line before we get a rejection. Right here, we're at the top of that trend line in our live session last night. I told you guys if that double top is formed, what we'll do is wait on the retest of that double top, and this shit couldn't have played out any better, man. It was perfect, poetry in motion. So we set our limit order at the high. You caught the US 30 buy? Man, I'm gonna show you my US 30 entry in a second, man. This thing is crazy. When I tell you I got into it at the lows, we got into it at the low. So we got this sale right at this retest of this double top right here. If you guys are not used to identifying reversal patterns, I used the line chart for you. So right here at this high, this was our entry. We never take these reversal patterns on their so-called confirmation candle. So really quick for the guys that aren't familiar with reversal patterns, we'll start with the one that we see here, which is this double top. With double tops, they tell you to wait until price breaks beneath the neckline, which is this area, and when they're confirmed, then you take that sell. It didn't take me too many times of practicing that to know that that was not a great place to enter. I noticed that they are always retested on the right shoulder, whether it's the double top, inverse head and shoulders, double bottom, they all play out the same way. So I suggested we place this limit order right here and just let the market come to us. That happened, and TP got hit this morning. Got that TP hit, drop some smoke in the background. So from here, price was trading within this channel on gold, so there's a good chance that we can see a retest of this area on the 1 hour time frame. So what I'm going to do, well, not going to, I already set another limit order right here. Oh man, yeah, I got the whole we put the whole setup together in here, man. So normally everybody will be looking through this, man, but everybody will be on OBS so you can see everything. But for whatever reason, TikTok was hating on me this week. Y'all will be able to see me in the background on the mic and shit. But yeah, TikTok was hating on us this week, so we just gotta go live from the phone, man. And still let y'all get these trades. So let me show you that US 30 setup. Let me show you that US 30 setup, man. This thing worked out crazy. All right, so US 30, where are you? So I'm not only gonna show you this setup on the charts, I'm gonna show you where I called this setup. I called it on the live too. So this is where we got in, right down here at the lows. Okay, so we up crazy on this. All right. Ooh, over 1,500 pips. Now let me show you why I called this. Let me see. Let me go to my profile. I actually sent this thing out of my group. Okay. So right down here, told you guys we had bullish divergence. This was a key level in the market that we were taking a look at. So I wanted to wait until price broke beneath these lows right here before entering. As soon as that happened, I called this trade. Let me hit that play button. As soon as we entered, that thing just shot up, bro. Shot up. So we still holding this position too. We got a couple more trades in. So right here, when this pullback happened, the only thing that I did was move my stop loss underneath this area just to see if it would continue moving up or pull back to retest our entry. Man, so we just let this thing go. Oh yeah, Forbes next, same trade. You took 5K, but we out. Shit. So that's the thing. Scalping is dope, man. It works. But one thing that hurt me, I'm not speaking for any of y'all, but one thing that hurt me with scalping is I did not let my trade setups run. So let me look at this on the 2-hour time frame. Okay. You've traded before, so you understand. Well, let me ask you, do you understand breakouts, Forbes? Let's see if he's still on. I think he is. If you understand breakouts and how to trade them, and I'm just talking about, okay, cool. So if we look at these higher time frames, right? This area right here was consolidation. After that breakout, this thing took off. But if we look at this area right here on this higher time frame, that's consolidation on the higher time frame. So this move shooting up is the breakout. Oh yeah, if you didn't get in right here at the beginning, I could see closing that position. So that makes sense. Like, that's why I try not to enter in the middle, because you're right, it is very volatile. So I try to get in these things in a position where if the market is, really volatile, giving you these crazy wicks, I don't have to be anxious with my position because I'm at a level where it's easy to protect my position. So for me, just putting my stop loss down here, I don't have to do anything else. But yeah, we need to see this thing break above this 200-day EMA. I really like the way. Oh, if you didn't take the second loss, you wouldn't have got it out, man. So you still won though. You still got that 5K, so that's cool. But again, I would suggest, just looking at those things on a higher time frame. I guarantee you those wins would be crazier. I guarantee you. This week, last 2 days, it's been BS, man. So, what are you trading? You trading continuations? You looking for reversals? What are you doing as far as your trade setups? You rolling with the trend? What are you doing? The trend is your friend? Yeah. Some people I like to trade reversals though, Nate. I will do continuations, like I add to my positions, like For instance, on this US 30 trade right here, we actually called this sell from the highs. So I took this motherfucker from right here. I used the same concept. So the same thing that I was just talking about by using these higher time frames to pretty much identify consolidation. As soon as we got this break below right here, I told everybody when this thing comes back, we're selling it. We had that zone set, and this was a 1 to 32 risk reward sale. What's going on? Yes, we do mentor, okay? We also let you guys trade with us for free, man. I just witnessed so many people get taken advantage of with this trading thing. This is my way of giving back, hopping on and not only showing you guys analytics, but letting you take these trades with me live. So for the guys that are looking for that mentoring situation, you can trade for free using that Trading Essentials bundle, or for the guys that's ready to take that next step and actually learn how to navigate the market, you can get that beginner bundle or the tier 2 bundle, whichever one is best for you. But they all start with our mindset series. That was one thing that I learned. There's nothing that you can gain as far as these markets until you gain the proper control of your emotions. Let's see what you got. You trying to get out of the market before 12? Man, yeah, depending on where you get in, I feel you. What Nate say? Yeah, the trend is your friend. Yeah, depending on where you get in the market, I feel you. You got to get out before 12. But like I said, when you get in at a good level, bro, you can really let that trade run. That's really something that I want to preach to you guys. So back to this thing, getting in up here, and just paying attention to stuff like this. When the market starts to consolidate, the only thing that I needed to do was drop my stop loss at break even, like above that. Okay, from there, look at what's happening. It broke out of that consolidation area just to pull back to retest it. I was adding in positions every area that we got to retest on US 30. And we traded all of this live, man. We went crazy catching these damn swings. So from the highs of 1 to 32, then got in right here on this retest, a 1 to 14. We had fun on this sale. We had fun. I say swinging it is good for people who don't have time to sit. Man, exactly. And really, which one of us really got time to be sitting in front of the damn charts like that anyway? Like, I really do an hour of charting, and I trade for an hour. As long as you identify the key levels, even during London, I don't trade the whole London session. I might look at the charts for maybe 15 minutes. You see, that's all you do? That's how it was when I started. All I was doing was looking at the damn charts. Looking at the charts, and I was losing all my damn trades too. I was getting caught in bull crap because we're on a 2-hour time frame right now. So check this out. I was watching on the 15-minute. I was confusing the shit out of myself. So anytime price made any move counter to my trend, I would get out, or I would get nervous, being self-sabotaging. But look at this 2-hour time frame. It's easier, much easier. It's showing you clearly price is creating higher lows and higher highs. So the only thing that I need to do is identify the low when it's created and do the same thing that I told you guys I did with that US 30 sale. Just continue to move my stop loss higher in profit and let the trade work for me. Let me see. The goal is to place the trades and go about the day. Yeah, man, we got to get out of there. I didn't quit my job to become a slave to another machine. Shit. My biggest thing is making profits without being present. We want to use limit orders, let the trades hit, and then we just wake up to money. Say 5 years ago I wasn't leaving my office for hours. Yeah, Nate, man, me and Nate started trading together, man. Well, I was trading before I got there. Yeah, sleeping bag. Bro, so matter of fact, we got on last night. And another thing, pound AUD, we were looking at it right here. Well, where is this? Right here in this area. So pretty much pound AUD had the exact same setup with bearish divergence forming, right? You got these higher highs clearly being printed on your chart while your RSI is doing the opposite, creating these lower highs. So in seeing that again, we see one touch here and one touch here. When price pulled back to retest this level, even though we may have normally taken this level for a sell, and knowing the rules, we look for the buy because we want to see this thing being retested. Now next week around Tuesday and Thursday, we'll be looking for the sell from the highs on pound AUD. So outside of sharpening up your technicals, man, start looking at the charts and identifying the days where you see breakouts, whether it's to the downside or to the upside. You're normally going to see them things pop on a Tuesday or a Thursday. Matter of fact, look right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's Thursday. Just go check for yourself. Tuesday and Thursdays, you'll start seeing breakouts. And what I mean by breakouts, those are the moves that either pop above a structural level of resistance or break beneath a structural level of support. Okay? Yeah, I'm out in GA, man. Is pattern based? Well, yeah, it is, but this is the only pattern that you're using. This is the only pattern that you're using. This shit right here. That's crazy. I must have used this in another live session. But this is the only pattern that you're using. So we already talked about if price is moving up, you're making higher highs, higher lows. If you start to consolidate, let me show you the continuation first. If you start to consolidate and price wants to go up, you'll see this. The opposite is this. So this is really the only pattern that I'm looking for. And I'm going to show you this on all of the trade setups that we just took, man. Oh, you in Atlanta too? I got to join the Discord. So I just dropped a post about a oil sale that I took. Okay. So one thing that's helpful, when you got a major structural level, like a level where you see all of these rejections in the market, if a level like that breaks like it did right here and price does not retest it, I just wait for the retest. So just like the drawing you saw, if price is going to continue or be in the continuation, it's going down and you see consolidation, when we get a break, that's my entry on that trade. And I'm taking it to the downside. Now, like I said, the only reason I didn't do that on pound AUD was because we needed one more touch to validate that sell. But oil, man, I called this thing down here. I put this signal here to let everybody know that it was a no trade zone because we wanted the buy. Shot right up to our entry and just fell. So again, the only pattern that you are really learning to identify when you're trading like this on a higher time frame is spotting consolidation and identifying if you get a break above, we enter on the retest to take it going up, or if we're consolidating at the highs and we get a break below, we enter in on that retest to take it down. So it's just all structure, man. Yeah, structural trading, man. Yes, sir. And it's easy, so easy, so easy. Exactly. That risk reward is crazy when you trade like that. What's your personality type? He said my personality type ain't good for that style. Yeah, just break and retest trading. Yep, and I'm glad you said that, Nate, because that's really what it is. You got to do what fit you. Me, I know I don't like to sit up and stare at the fucking chart so long or all day, but I want to catch the moves as well. So scalping, not really for me. Which exchange do I use? I use TradeLocker because it reflects trading view, and I can use the same drawing tools, which is cool for me. Okay, so if you guys are looking for a broker, again, you can trade with us for free on our website, ProfitTakerZU.com. I'll walk you through setting up your demo account and your live account. Trade with me on your demo account to test the accuracy of the trades that we call, and then from there you can try them on your live. But this will walk you through not only placing the trades, but give you a complete trading plan. That's the thing that's missing. People need to understand how to properly risk on these trade setups as well, and how to monitor them. Oh, you been locked in trading for 18 months? Bro, that's cool, bro. Yeah. So I started with the prop firms, but this is the thing with my style of trading. Since I'm doing swing trading and I understand structure, right? So for instance, with this trade, I was in this sell from here, but I took this buy to retest another one of my sell entries. You can't do that shit in the prop firm. So it's like I gotta close my entire position to take that trade, and I don't want to. I want to hold it. So that's the only reason why I don't do the prop firms. But it's a great place to start, I would say, because the prop firms make you focus on rules. When you trade by yourself, you get in there and start blowing some shit up for real. So the prop firms following those rules as far as not going too high above your drawdown, that will keep you disciplined when you start trading using your account. Like if you don't lose 5% a day managing somebody else's money, you should have that same discipline to apply to your account. Yeah, man. Let's see. So what are you paper trading? Let's see. Does it teach options? We teach options. We cover everything, because as far as technical analysis, no matter which instrument you're trading, whether it's forex, crypto, futures, options, it's all the exact same thing. The only difference is the processes of entering in the trade setup. Let's see. Yeah, man. Oh, does the beginner class teach options trading? No, sir. I'm sorry. The beginner class only goes over technical analysis, and it has the mindset series in it. The tier 2 bundle that covers all of our material. Man, US 30 the way to go. Now y'all know, look, US 30 is your friend. I'm telling you, look, if US 30 does what we're expecting, right? I want you guys to look at this. Let me see. I want you guys to look at this. Let me go to this 4-hour time frame. So, no, what was it? The daily? Yeah, there we go. Excuse me. So we already talked about price forming consolidation, right? Which is exactly what it did on the daily, but it never pulled back to retest this area. Even if we look at this 50% mark within consolidation, price did the same thing here. There was never a retest. So this was actually my third target. If this thing hit all our targets, I just showed you guys how I'm going to manage this position. I'm a swing trader, so of course, if price starts to pull back too much on me, we are going to exit. But with this move happening right here, price breaking above and pulling back to retest this area, but not dropping beneath, there's a great chance that we will break above these highs right here because of a thing called liquidity. Okay? So liquidity, that's when you got a bunch of traders looking for sales and they're placing their stop losses above the highs. On the institutional side of the market, they can see all of those orders and they'll move up, capture those orders, and take price in the opposite direction. So this is really how I'm making all of these trade setups, not just by identifying these areas, but by finding the liquidity in the market. And I trade towards it. That's why I took the sales. Okay, so looking at the sales right here, all of those rejections showed me it was a bunch of money underneath that area. So I just traded for price to capture the money. Yep. Yeah, you don't need more than 5K really in an account. So that's wise. Okay, no problem, man. Yeah, yeah, okay, cool. No, man. Look, I'm talking about to start with, Nate. I didn't say you're gonna get 100. You don't need 100K in an account. I'm talking about starting with more than 5K for real. Really, you can start with $1,000 with these trade setups that we taking, getting the 1 to 8s, 1 to 22s and shit, and you'll be great. Let that $1,000 bring you in that 100K. Hey, it's funny that y'all said this. Look, Vantage Markets hit me up. They want me to post some trades for them and partner with them. So we'll be doing that as well. They also want me to set up some accounts to let people do copy trading. But I had to get an ID from an island overseas to get verified with them. I sent them that US ID. They was like, we don't deal with US customers. Oh shit. They said, nah, we need you to do something else. So with this, man, we're gonna set an alert. We gotta see what happens above this high. We already know what we're waiting on with pound AUD. Man, go and get it. You go and get it, you open yourself up for more, bro. Because really, at this point, I'm looking at ways to sidestep that capital gain tax. 27% on 100 grand, bro. That's a whole nother business. Yeah, a trust. They got the trust. They got the ministries. Yeah, that's wild, bro. That's wild. So if this thing pulled back and hit this area before it hits the top of our target, I'm actually gonna take that buy. Seriously. So let me go ahead and set this limit order right here in this area. Man, yeah, they tripping with those taxes, bro. So you mean to tell me if I go slave at a job, you gonna hit me less than me being able to create and make that shit? If I make money out of thin air, you want more money than you would get from my job? Hell no. No way. All right, cool. Let me move another alert right here. Right now we're looking at, yeah, you're right. They tax you when they send the check. They tax you when you cash it. They tax you every time you spend some money. Which right now we're looking at pound AUD. We were just on gold. We took a gold sale Well, earlier today, we just hit TP1 on gold, and we hit our TP1 on US 30 as well. Oh, no way. Nah, see, that ain't the way to go, man. 150K? No way. So look, you're gonna have to set up those ministries too. Yeah, XAU USD gold. So I'll show you why we call that sell on gold. We talked about it, but it's not a long explanation. So I don't know if you guys use the RSI. We don't use it to look at overbought or oversold positions. What I do is I watch the direction of the RSI. So if RSI is creating a different trend in price, we use it as a means of letting us know when a particular trend could change. In this case, it was an uptrend. We got price making higher highs, RSI making lower highs. That lets you know that it is bearish divergence at play, and you should be looking for a reversal. On this 36-minute time frame, I don't know if you guys are familiar with reversal patterns, but I saw a double top at the highs. Boom. This pattern right here. So we set a limit order, and as soon as price pulled back to retest this area, I entered automatically, and that gave us the win. Win, win. Yeah. So at this point, what time frame was that? I believe that was the 4-hour time frame. I guess it was not. Is it the 1 hour? Okay, 1 hour. On the 1 hour time frame, this micro area of consolidation right here, it was created, price broke it, but this wick did not retest that area. So not only did we take profit right here, but I'm also looking for this area to be retested to see if we'll get another rejection to break the lows here and send us towards our second TP. So I also have a limit order right here. I got an order at the highs right here, and I have a limit order here on gold. This is what we're taking a look at today for gold. Let's see. All right. So really, we're already in our trades. The other positions that we got as far as our alerts being triggered, they're still not in the areas we want to see them in. So we're just going to leave this stuff alone and wait, man. Be patient. Yeah, we're going to wait. We're looking at this sale. We definitely entered too soon. We got TP1 hit and it turned around. Now, pretty much same concept. I'll draw it out with this. Price consolidated right here. This is the break of structure. Price never retested that level. And right now, we got price retesting not only the 200-day EMA, but there's a gap, what they call a fair value gap, imbalance zone, all the same thing. It's retesting not only the 200-day EMA, but that fair value gap. So there's a great chance if it does not break beneath, we'll see a pullback towards this level before that move happens. So what I want to do is just identify what we see and the time frame. Damn, the big ass letters. Okay. Cool. Look at that. That's on the 4 hour and the 2 hour. That's pretty cool. I don't think that was the right size either. Man, that's what I like to hear. You was working on your business. That's what trading should inspire you to do. Create something, man. If you can overcome the fears involved with trading, trading should just be some shit that funds your dream. That's really how I like to look at it. Like, what is your passion? Let trading pay for that. I thought I was really getting into trading to help people make money, but then that led us to that mindset series, which is something that I enjoy a lot more, man, helping people lead into self-discovery. So right now we're looking at euro pound. We had a lot of pound news. So we looked at pound pair. So what we do is we hop on at the top of every week and we take a look at the news. And depending on what we have as far as high volatility, we'll look at those pairs so we can get the impulsive moves, because I don't like trading in consolidation. A lot of people run away from the news, but since we know how to properly identify structure and identify safe levels to enter, it helps us because we get big impulses that go in our favor. Okay, let me see, man. We might take this. Uh-oh. We actually need to wait until this candle closes. 9 minutes. I'm gonna set alerts above this area and below, so we don't get caught in any unnecessary madness. Anthony, what's up? How you doing? Adam, you trade? You in the GU sale? That's a good sale. I'm in that GU sale as well. Anthony. Yeah, I also took that GU sale. You're a smart guy, man. Great minds think alike. You was in gold. Which direction were you in gold on, Anthony? So I took that GU sale for the exact same reason I took the gold sale. I saw that divergence at play, those higher highs being formed on the price chart while RSI was creating lower highs. I was like, okay. And from there, man, we took that sale. Now, what just happened was this is an inverse head and shoulders right here. Let me show you on this. Damn, look at that. That's some bullshit. I don't know why that thing is not showing you that entire candle. Well, that's why you got to learn how to draw price. If we're just going based on what price shows us, this is definitely an inverse head and shoulders. Clearly. And this move dropped underneath these lows to capture all of the stop losses to retest this area, and now it's pulling back in the opposite direction. My trade is already. Yeah, I hate when line charts do that, man. They have you thinking you're tripping because you don't want to put the wick in. But that one is a solid candle, so I don't even know why they don't show that. This should definitely be shown, even though they don't have that wick. Oh, we had a 50 tick trade on this drop. Man, we entered right here on this drop. Same thing with Euro USD. Same thing right here. So from here, we just hit TP1 and 2 on Euro USD. I appreciate that, Aaron. We we call these trades live, man. We call these trades live. So our last target right here on Euro USD, we want to see price break beneath these lows. So again, I tell you guys, when you see these lows forming up like this in the market, the traders that took the trend, well, took the trade going in the opposite direction, right? So right now, the opposite direction would be up. All of their stop losses are right here. This thing is gonna take their money and then it's going to make the move. That's what we look for. That's why I waited to get in this trade. Same thing. See these highs being formed right here? I wait for that wipe out and then I enter in the market. You start paying attention to that, you'll save yourself, man. And again, you'll be able to hold those trades a lot longer. What else are y'all trading besides gold and GU and EU? US 30? Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, we love US 30. Well, this will be it today, man. It looks like we need to just go have fun and celebrate the wins we already got and wait until later on, maybe around 2, check out the market and see what's going on. I appreciate y'all for hopping on. Are you new to it, Ant? Well, Anthony, you can trade with us live for free, brother. Okay? Sound like you already got your account set up and stuff, but we still want you to go through the process just so you can understand the way we leverage. So just go through, go to our website and get that Trading Essentials bundle. And this thing show you how to place your trades, set up your demo account, your live account. I know you're already running. I'm just telling you everything that it's doing. So outside of setting up the account, it gives you a complete trading plan. So showing you how to figure out a good leverage to stick with and also giving you the math to show you how it'll benefit you in the long run. So that's really the biggest part. Like outside of having those accounts set up, you gotta understand how to properly leverage. So what we do is on each trade set up, we do 3. And I break it down into different targets. So you always see me have 3 targets with 1% on each target. That way, as price moves, I can pay myself. I didn't know how few traders do that, but we definitely want to use that system to make sure we take money out the market as price moves, and then you'll feel more comfortable with letting your trade setups run. Okay? So just check that out for me, and yeah, we good. Just hop on and get active. TradingView. Yes, this is TradingView. This is TradingView. We do our analytics on TradingView and place our trades on Trade Locker. Fernando, what's up, man? How you doing? So yeah, we go live. I've been trading about 6 years now, man. But we go live Sunday and Wednesday to do our homework. Okay? One thing that I noticed from trading, if you do your charting sessions at the top of the week and in the middle of the week on the higher time frames, you could pretty much see where all the swings will be, whether you got impulses on the way or you got consolidation forming. The days that we trade is Monday through Thursday. Sometimes I may hop on for a surprise session, but typically Monday through Thursday we hop on at 10:30. Z's, Benjamin, what up? Yep. So yeah, I like to show y'all guys the accuracy, man. Okay, cool. Yeah, follow us and tap in. And also, you guys, Wednesday, that's our free session within our Discord. So instead of joining the trading session on social media, you can join us through that Discord. And that Discord link is also within that Trading Essential bundle. That way, you'll be able to talk to me directly. Yes, I'm waiting to buy in that zone. Exactly. I'm in this sale to the downside right here, KT. As soon as we drop beneath this level, I'm waiting to see how price responds to look for a pullback in that area. Are you trying to pass that prop firm challenge? Oh, that's what's up. So I'm glad you said prop firm. As far as people that's trying to trade with us and you got that prop firm set up, of course you can't risk 3% each trade because your max daily drawdown is 5%. So I tell everybody to look at the total amount of their max drawdown. Like if it's $10,000, trade that account like it's 10,000 and not 100K, and use 3% of 10,000, and that way you'll make sure that you don't over leverage on your account and your profits are consistent as long as your risk reward is intact. Parkville, what up? Liberty, what up? Yeah, that prop firm is disciplined, man. I said this earlier. I suggest that everybody test out that prop firm, man. Test it out. Test it out. Because when you in that live account, you can just click buttons all damn day and nobody will stop you. Nobody will stop you. Ain't nobody there to spank you on your hand. No, KT. Nobody gonna say that shit. So definitely learn and practice that discipline so when you go live, you end up being helpful by sticking to your processes. You got 600 left on the 25K account. Oh, that's good. That's good. The only thing that I would tell you to do, KT, is just focus on seeing it being done already. Because you obviously got a strategy that's working for you. Because I believe most of them you got to get in between 5 to 8% to get verified. So if you're able to do that with the current trading strategy that you got, then it's already done. That's all the hell you need to be saying. Not I'm trying, that I'm done. I'm going to just tell you congratulations now. Congratulations, KT, on the win. Win! Win, 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 win! Yeah! That's what we do. You didn't see any good moves this week? KT, it was good moves all this week. You was just looking at the wrong area. What were you trading this week, man? No problem, bro. Let me see. What were you looking at this week? Tell me what time frame you was looking at it on. Let's see. Marcus, what's up, brother? You looked at Euro and gold? GU? Gold and GU? Bro. Okay. We gotta give you some simple concept. So where did you take a look at gold? I know gold could be confusing at the point that it's in because it's at all-time highs. So I definitely understand why you said you didn't see a move. But what time frame were you taking a look at gold? Because we got this sale. Jay, what up? Lenny, what up? So with gold, let me show you the setup we found. Okay. So KT, are you familiar with reversal patterns? Well, of course you got to. You done passed the prop firm. Let me stop. So on the 36 minute, you was looking around breakout area 3,000. What is that? Okay, you was looking for a buy. Okay, got you. Got you. So you were looking for the buy, correct? In this area after the breakout above these highs? Right here? Let's see what KT got. Yeah, got you. All right. Now let me show you why I looked for sales instead of buys, okay? Now, it's a simple concept with the RSI. So let me go to this 2-hour time frame. I noticed on the RSI, price was creating lower highs. You see this? Creating lower highs. The other thing that I noticed was the price chart was creating higher highs. This is called bearish divergence. When you see this in the market, it's an indication that the trend is about to change, okay? So in noticing that, The other thing that I figured out by working and using these systems together over the years is I'll typically see 3 touches before that reversal comes when using bearish divergence as an indicator. So on that 36-minute time frame, I noticed we got that final touch. Let me open this up a bit so you guys can see. On our live last night, this double top wasn't even confirmed yet. Isaac, appreciate the follow, man. This double top wasn't even confirmed yet. The only thing we saw was the tweezer top right here. These 2 candles. And I let everybody know, if this candle closes to confirm this double top, I'm placing a limit order and I'm going to sleep. And that's exactly what we did. And in doing that, we got our TP1 hit right here. Big win. Win. Yeah. And now we are looking for this area to be retested to add to this position. Let's see what you got. Lenny, you said, how do you identify volatility on the news? Man, I go to, what is this, MyFX book. There's another site, the name slips me right now. But there's another site. You just go to the economic calendar. And then from there, I put a filter on to where it will only show me high volatility news. Normally you'll see, medium to low or almost no effect. Yeah, Forex Factory, that's what it is. Appreciate that, Adam. I don't know how that slipped my mind. But yeah, Forex Factory or MyFX book, they're both pretty much the same concepts. But yeah, at the top, you can put that filter on to make sure that you only see high volatility news. And that keeps me away from trading, like I said, in consolidation. Okay? So that's another thing, another reason why I look for these pairs, KT. Wednesday I saw heavy USD news, and Tuesday and Thursday as well. So that's why I looked for gold. But that little bit that I shared with you about bearish divergence, that's what had me looking for the sell side versus the buys. Okay? Now, you weren't wrong in that concept. It's not necessarily hard to catch these sales. You just got to take your profit when it's time. Okay? You got to take your profit when it's time. Because when prices moving up, in most cases, you're just going to get that test of structure. Now, with the other things that we saw, that's why I created some TPs that were a little lower. But I'm definitely protecting the trades that are already in. So if this thing decides to run, shit, I'm not losing a winning trade setup. That was the entire reason I created this entire trading system that I got, because I was amazing with entries, but I would lose winning trade setups. Piss me off. I'm talking about go up thousands of dollars and take $100 on the trade. Mad than a motherfucker. But it's good because it was all a part of the process, and it helped me learn. And I really developed the systems to create structure within myself. And it just so happened to be a tool to help everybody else. So we started sharing it. Sabrina, what's up? How you feeling? But yeah, back to this setup. You were looking for the break and retest strategy right here, which is legitimate. Okay? That strategy works. Like I said, the only thing that you missed was divergence. Yeah, bro, that's exactly what I want everybody else to do. Learn from my mistakes. Because it was painful. The thing that I know about these mistakes is they do more damage mentally than anything. Especially when you know better. Oh, man, I start saying the worst shit in the world to myself. Yara, what up? That's why we created that mindset series. I got to show you guys how to protect you away from yourself before we get into trading. Because you can really be your own worst enemy with these words. Damn, why didn't I see that? I'm so stupid. You can't do shit like that. We got to keep that energy up, or you will always lose. You got to win in your mind before you win with your grind. Got to put that on a shirt or some shit. All right, cool. So yeah, you that break and retest is solid, bro. That is solid. It's solid. But let me go ahead and get up out of here for the day, man. This is what you guys will normally see up here. Next week, we'll be back with the full experience. Hopefully, we got to see what's going on with TikTok that was hating on me. But I appreciate y'all for hopping on. Thank you. Y'all be great. KT, nice to meet you. Everybody that chimed in with the comments, nice to meet you. Again, we hop on at the top of the week. Look at the news, figure out what the volatility will be. We call all our trade setups live and I execute them right in front of you just so you can see not how technical analysis works, but how execution works, and also how to be level-headed with your emotions in the process. So appreciate y'all. Y'all be great. The next live, we're done for the week. So the next live will be Sunday. Sunday, we go live at 9 o'clock. And to get the schedule, you can join our Discord. The link is on our page, ProfitTakersEU.com. And join our Discord, get the link to the live, and we'll see you guys Sunday so we can chart and do it all over again. I appreciate that, KT. But y'all be great. Love y'all. All right, everybody else, let's let y'all out. We appreciate you guys for joining as well. We had to give TikTok a special exit. They were doing amazing, being real active as far as the engagement, but all together we all got a win. Love y'all. Win, yeah. All right, we enjoyed the experience. So you guys be great. Again, to join us, head to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. You can get that Trading Essential bundles and bundle and start for free. It also comes with our Mindset Series Structure Breaking. This is where we put all of the pieces together and show you the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions before you get started. You also get our 6-week journal to help you become more intentional with your words. We talked about that intentionality earlier and how it can help you or hinder you depending on what you speak. We also have a few books available on Amazon. 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results covers all of the concepts you get in the charting sessions and in our live trading sessions. And our log books help you log your trades and your emotional state in the process of trading. We also got merch, so support the vision, support the dream, and remember you're only one trade away from living. I skipped a step. I was on the roll too. I was feeling myself. My bad. But to join the team as a partner, you can start with that beginner bundle or upgrade to tier 2. Now, remember you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same, man? Y'all be great.